Hey all, welcome to Code Tech Facts. In this video, we can see the PM2A process manager. The process manager helps to deploy our code in the production environment for the node-based application. The first why we need a process manager is we need to restart our application when it is crashed due to the unhandled exception. It will reload our application when an application got crashed or the memory is not having the sufficient memory. If we get a memory error, it will restart our application. And the second thing is the PM2 supports the load balancing. It can enable the cluster mode. Next, it will help in the monitoring. We can monitor our memories and the applications which has been working, and the errors and all the things can be monitored using the PM2. And next, it has the logging mechanism. It will logs our application errors and all the systems can be logged automatically. It supports the ecosystem file configuration. We can maintain one configuration for deploying all the application with the parameters and configurations. We need to install our PM2 globally. Once we have installed, we can verify the PM2 version. Let's add our application by using PM2 start ejs-api.js. It will start our application in the name of EJS. Then followed by, it will display the memory used and online, what is the uptime. PM2 list is used to list all our application. PM2 monit, it will display the memories and list of applications used memory. All the informations can be monitored using the PM2 monit. If we need to view the logs, we can use the PM2 logs. It will display all the logs which we have entered. Let's try out an error. I'm going to change the configuration file, port number to -1. So redeploy, we can stop our application. PM2 stop. It will stop. If you need to delete, we can use the delete. Delete by the application name also it's possible. EJS-API. If you need to delete all, we can use the delete all. It will delete all the applications. So now we are going to start PM2 start EJS-API.js. If you list the application, you can see that it has tried for 15 times. The uptime was initially 0. Now it is tried for 15 times. It got the error. We can list the errors by using PM2 logs. It will display the bad port. So you can get all the informations here. It will be try to reload for 15 times. If I need to reduce my reload time or increase, we can use PM2 start restarts equal to 2. I have to try for 2 times. It is uploaded for the first time and the next time it's tried to restart and it got the error. -max restart is used to specify the number of retries for the application failure. Next, we can try for the cluster mode. For cluster, I will be changing my port to 5000. -i. If I need to specify the number of cluster, I can specify it as 4. It was started with 4 cluster. If it deleted, all the 4 will be deleted. If I need to specify, don't want to specify the cluster number, it is based on the memory, then we can make it as max. It has been created by 8 clusters. We are adding the arguments and all those things in a command line. Instead of adding the command line arguments, we can specify it in a file, that is a ecosystem file. In this JS, we can mention all the list of arguments needs to be taken. We need to add a ecosystem.config.js. Instead of that, you can add pm2 init. This file will be created automatically. The name is es-starter. That is optional. If you are not provided, this will be added as the name. Then the script file, number of instance. If I need to watch the file, if anything is changed, if I need to restart, then I can mention watch as true or false. Output file, that is the log file, .es2.log. This is my log informations. Instead of starting with the application name, we can mention as ecosystem.config.js. It has started with the name with enable the cluster mode, because here I have mentioned as instance as max. It will have the log files as well in the current directory. Thanks for watching the video. Please share your questions and feedback in the comment section. If you like the video, please share with your friends. See you soon in the next video.